In this video, let's see a numerical problem asked in the CBSE examination. Year was 2005. So let's start with the solution. The solution would go somewhat like, for this question solve x square plus xy dy is equal to x square plus y square dx. I know that the powers are all in 2. If I can write dy by dx, I can directly solve it definitely. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx is equal to x square plus y square upon x square plus xy, right? Now see, now for further part of the solution, I have to put y is equal to x, so I write put y is equal to vx and not x. So my dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx. This you already know. This should be named as equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. Now what I have to do with this? See, I know dy by dx and here is dy by dx value. So I have to use 2 and 3 equation for equation number 1. Now what does my equation number 1 becomes? Dy by dx is equal to v plus x dv by dx, and which is equal to x square plus y square. So x square remains as it is, y square is v square x square whole divided by x square plus xy. Now what is x square? It is as it is, plus xy. So it is vx square. So now what is this further part of the solution? I have x dv by dx here and v plus goes to the other side to become minus, and here x square comes common, so 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v with x square common and plus v going to the other side becoming minus v. So let's take the LCM and let's solve it here for the further part of the solution. So x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v in the denominator, 1 plus v square in the numerator minus v. Now if something cancels, that will be very beneficial to us. We have to see if something cancels. I am again repeating that what we have done is we have taken x square common. So it is 1 plus v square over 1 plus v, minus v goes there, 1 plus v is taken as the LCM. So this is 1 plus v square times, and this is how many times? I am sorry, there was one mistake. This should be 1 plus v there. So v into 1 plus v. Now let's clarify it. It is x dv by dx is equal to 1 plus v square minus v square upon 1 plus v. V square minus v square gets cancelled. So it is x dv by dx is equal to 1 minus v over 1 plus v. Now how to do this type of a question? You know that the degree is 1 only, or the power of v is 1. So what we can do is we can make the numerator in the form of denominator. Now let's take v's to the one side. It becomes 1 plus v upon 1 minus v dv is equal to dx upon x. Now see, this type of a question can be done very easily when you manipulate the numerator in the terms of denominator. So it becomes 2 minus 1 minus v upon 1 minus v dv is equal to dx upon x. How? Because I know that this in turn is giving me 1 plus v only. So there is no problem with it. Now it becomes 2 upon 1 minus v dv minus dv is equal to dx over x. What I have done is I have just integrated all the sides, both the sides. So this becomes 2 log 1 minus v with minus sign, because minus v has minus in the coefficient, minus v is equal to log x plus log c. What has to be done now? See, anyways v should not be there in your answer, because y is equal to vx. So you have to do this thing that you have to substitute v as y upon x. So if I substitute it like that, that will give me the answer. But first let's simplify more. So this is log 1 minus v raised to the power minus 2 minus v is equal to log m plus log n is log mn, right? So see, now this should go to the other side for the further part of the solution. It becomes log is there. What you can do is you can even have it as minus 2 here only. Then what will happen? Then you will not be able to solve it. So what I do is I just take 2 over it and minus is left. Now log m is there. This is in negative. If it comes here, it also becomes negative. So what we have to do is minus v is equal to log m plus log n. So log m plus log n is what? Log mn. So log mn. Either you can do like this, or what you can do is, just in case you know, here only you can substitute the value of v. Now what is v? V is y upon x. So it is minus y over x, which is equal to log cx 1 minus y over x whole square. Now see what should be done. Now directly you can write it as e raised to the power. Now this log should not come. So what we do is e raised to the power minus y by x is equal to cx mod 1 minus y over x whole square should be broken up like this. Now see what to do. Now you have something in this, and if you take the LCM it becomes x square minus y square. So easily you can do what? You can write mod x e raised to the power minus y over x is equal to c x square minus y square, and that should be giving me the final solution to this question asked in the CBSE 2005 year examination.